knife now there's a pretty straight edge, straight spine, a little bit of bumps I can sort out with the grinder, forge scale, and then it seems to be that we have a knife. Needs a little cleaning up to make it pretty, and then heat treat.
For the process of grinding, I decided to speed up the video a bit just to get through this. Grinding can be a pretty tedious job and can take a lot of time, so speeding it up through this should help just give a quick overview of what it is to clean the blade with the belt sander. I noticed a little problem. As you can see there, if the camera will focus on it, there is a massive crack near the tip of the blade. It could be from stress fractures that were in the steel before I even started working on it, or it could simply be I worked the steel too cold. So I might have to scrap the big knife after all, or maybe reprofile it, make a smaller knife. We'll see what we can do.